I'm George with Sawblade.com. I'm going to tell you about our Q601 Plus VTH M51 bandsaw blade. When we designed this blade, we wanted one that could cut harder materials, your nickel alloys, along with your structural steel. We added more cobalt in the tooth tip, so it's an M51 high-speed steel tooth edge, and we gave it a VTH variable tooth height profile. And what that does, it distributes the pressure throughout the cut. It's got a 9-degree rake angle, which increases chip ejection, and you're going to get a square cut, and that blade's going to last longer. You get a blade that cuts a wider range of material, bar stock, structural steel, thin wall, thick wall. You've got a great cost factor with this blade. It's economical, and it cuts anything. This blade is available in a wide variety of widths and TPIs. It fits on any saw, whether you're a vertical saw, whether you're a horizontal saw, manual or automatic. If you're looking to upgrade your M42 blade to the M51, you can go online and order. We'll grind it, we'll pack it, we'll ship it same day. If you're in the local market, we'll get it to you same day. If you're not in the local market, you'll get it the next day or so. I'm George at Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, we are your competitive advantage.